Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add your website in your Facebook page. So firstly, you have to go to your Facebook page first. Make sure you are on your Facebook page, not your normal Facebook account. How you can check that? You have to click on this account option, which is top right corner, this profile icon. Then you can see here your Facebook page name and your Facebook normal account name. You have to click on your Facebook page name. Then it will be uh, converted to your Facebook page, or it will switch to your Facebook page. Now I have to click on this your profile name, which is top left corner, and then click on about. In this about section you can find here websites and social links. If you want to add any website, you have to click on this pencil icon, and then you have to click on add a website. Then you have to put your website name here, www.blabla.com, your facebook name.com website name. You have to click on save, and then your website will be attached here or saved here. Okay, so this is how you can add a website in a Facebook page. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.